Hi, I'm Dr. Relis, and I want to share with you potential pitfalls and reasons for denials of fiancé visas so that you can avoid these in your petition. Insufficient evidence of a genuine relationship. One of the common reasons for denials is a lack of sufficient evidence demonstrating the genuine nature of your relationship. This can include inadequate proof of shared activities, communication, and future plans. Failure to meet in person within the last 2 years. The requirement for the petitioner and beneficiary to have met in person within the last 2 years is crucial. If this requirement is not met, or if there's insufficient evidence of the meeting, the petition may be denied. Inadequate documentation of intention to marry, failing to provide convincing documentation of the intention to marry within the 90-day period after the beneficiary fiance's entry into the United States can lead to denials. Ineligibility for adjustment of status. If the fiance beneficiary is ineligible to adjust status and become a legal permanent resident in the U.S. after marriage, for example, due to previous immigration violations or inadmissibility issues, it may lead to a denial of the fiance visa petition. There are ways to get around this depending on your circumstances. That's why it's important to speak with us as soon as possible. Financial insufficiency. The U.S. petitioner must meet certain financial requirements to sponsor their fiancé. If there's insufficient evidence of financial ability, or if the U.S. petitioner fails to meet the income threshold, the petition may be denied. However, there are ways to get around this. You should speak with us as soon as possible so that we can successfully address this issue for you. Fiancé's previous visa overstays or violations. Fiancés with a history of visa overstays or other immigration violations may face denials. It's crucial to address and provide appropriate documentation for any previous immigration issues, because many times we can overcome these obstacles. Misrepresentation or fraud, providing false information, misrepresenting facts, or attempting to commit fraud in the fiancé visa process can lead to immediate denials and serious legal consequences. Incomplete or incorrect forms and evidence submission. Submitting incomplete or incorrect forms or supporting evidence or failing to include necessary supporting documentation can result in processing delays or denials. Attention to detail and thoroughness are essential. Navigating the fiancé visa process demands meticulous attention to detail, comprehensive documentation, and adherence to immigration laws. Individuals considering applying for a fiancé visa are strongly advised to consult with experienced immigration attorneys to navigate the complexities of the application process.